This is the alchemy of joy. Joy is the absolute value of the present moment, meaning joy isn't worrying about the future, right? That's where anxiety lives. Joy isn't thinking about the past per se, although we'll talk a little about that. That's usually where depression lives, right? Joy is being right here and right now. The universe seems to give us the curriculum we need at the right perfect time. The universe seems to give us the curriculum we need, because if we need patience, the universe isn't going to give us patience. It's going to give us the opportunity to be patient, right? If we need to be more loving, the universe isn't going to give us just love. It's just going to give us the opportunity to show up and be more loving. This meditation is going to be focused on a visualization of integrating our new core narrative, okay? We are going to walk together in a forest, and we are going to come upon some beautiful imagery that I'll describe to you. And I used the process that I'm giving you and teaching you today to not only get me out of it, but to eject me from heartbreak and put me into an orbit where I'm able to attract what I'm deserving of and worthy of. We're going to start today with a Self Eulogy exercise.
Hi, my name is Jeff Gabriel. I am a student of the Alchemy of Joy by Brent Freeman. I have struggled with mental health issues my whole life, and over the last year, continued to try different therapies and medications, and nothing seemed to really make a significant improvement. How self-care is not selfish, really important, and the type of work that we do through the Alchemy of Joy has definitely given me a lot of hope, and looking forward to tomorrow, and I haven't had that feeling in a long time. So thank you, Brent.
Hi, my name is Kat. I went through the Alchemy of Joy. So the Alchemy of Joy has been transformational for me, and I'm really excited for this next chapter because now I have the tools and resources I need to succeed in life and bring my joy back.